Here's a third Casablanca Venus Halo that I'll be showing. As I said in all my previous videos of these fans, I have recently acquired 4 of these from a Facebook Marketplace listing, somewhat local to me. They're all in decent shape, but none of them didn't wobble. Some of them are worse than others, but this one wasn't too bad. The hang true canopy is original, even though it's not stepped. That is because this was a later version, that being 1994, and the stepped hang trues were the recalled hang trues. And after they corrected the recall, all the canopies basically look plain. I believe the Venus was manufactured from the late 80s to about the mid 90s. This bottom piece is painted. The seller kind of abused these fans and rested them right on the bottom piece there. Scratched them up real bad, so I had to repaint them white. We'll start off with demo mode here. I have 2 halogen bulbs. One of them is 100 watt and the other one's 150 watts. I don't like having lights that bright in a halo, but that's what came with the fan. So that's just what I put in there. I've been having a lot of light bulb issues with these fans. Certain bulbs, if you put a bulb in, it will cause the fan to act really weird, even though they do not exceed 150. So I really don't know what the story is. I'll be posting a video of that later on. Alright, and we'll start off with speed 1. I'll keep the light on. So if I put in a certain bulb, even if it's just one bulb, 100 watt, or 2 bulbs, they will cause the fan to act really weird. I actually thought the board was bad in one of these fans until I discovered the light bulb was the issue. And I have no idea why. So only like 2 bulbs did that and the other bulbs work fine. I have no idea what the story is there. I've never seen that happen before. Put on speed 2. These fans are very nice in my opinion. Love the look of them. This is the third speed here. The flywheel is a little bit warped. It's not perfect, but it's not too bad. Do speed 4 now. The bearings in all 4 of these fans were pretty much perfect when I got them, which is an uncommon surprise. Almost all Casablanca fans I get used need new bearings, but in this case, none of them did, which is very unusual. So they obviously weren't used a whole lot. We'll do speed 5 now. And now it starts to shake around. On all 4 of these fans, I had to repaint the bottom piece because they were all very scratched up. And I'll put it on the highest speed right now. Definitely goes pretty fast for a Venus. Not a bad performer at all. Considering it does have a K55. And off. The bearings are very good, like I mentioned, so therefore it has a long spin down. And that's pretty much all I got for this Casablanca Venus Halo in Snow White.